Hi, I'm Patrick. This is from the Ask Patrick series. Question asked by Karan. Basically, which topics can I focus on in the exam and which topics should I leave in the examination in order to score good marks or in order to clear the cutoffs? So let me try to elaborate this with some examples. So I remember there was a student who went to the examination. He found geometry really tough, so he left that for option. Also, as per the paper pattern that used to come, functions was not very common in the examination. So he left that for option. So he left these two topics for option and he focused the attention on the remaining topics and went for the exam. At that time, the CAT exam had 25 con questions. What happened? There were 6 questions on functions and 7 questions on geometry in his paper, which means 13 questions from only these two topics in his slot. This was when it's an online paper with many slots were there. In his specific slots, there were 13 questions only from these two topics, functions and geometry, which he had left for option. He was completely shattered because actually those questions were not really tough. But since he had not prepared for it, he couldn't solve it. I remember another student who had gone for the exam with a plan saying that these are topics which I'm strong at, I will do those questions first, and these are topics I'm weak at, and I'll do it later. So he started with the topics where he was strong at. When he started and he started solving, he realized that it was really tough. It would take longer time. Later on, he looked at the other questions which he was leaving, and he realized those were actually very simple. He should have solved those first, but by the time it was a little late. So what was the mistake he did? He tried to, categorize saying that these were my strong topics, these were my weak topics. Don't do that. I normally recommend students not to leave any topic for the examination. You need to know basics of every topic, not too high-end, but just the basics of every topic. Let's say logs, let's say functions, let's say permutation combinations, let's say geometry. It's a simple sums that come in the exam I should be able to solve. For example, let's take log and functions. There used to be tough sums that come in the exam, but if you look at last couple of years, questions on logs and functions have been very easy. So people who left CAT for the option must have really repented their decision, because the questions are very simple in the exam. Just substitution, you get the answer, right? There was a time when number system had a very high weightage. 2-3 years back, algebra was a lot of weightage. Recently, arithmetic has a lot of weightage. The weightage keeps on changing. That's not important. What is important? From which topic does easy questions come from? Because if you really want to crack the exam, you need to focus on easy questions. And the easy questions come from different topics. You don't know which topic the easy questions will come from. And therefore, it is very important that you go through all topics, at least a base. You should be able to solve the easy questions that come from any topic, so that you don't miss out on easy questions in the examination. And that is the key to success. So don't leave anything for options. In terms of, oh, this chapter I don't know, let me leave for options. Don't do that. Learn it from someone, just the basic of it, just the simplicity of it. That should help you to crack the examination. Right? I hope this helps. Thank you.